Okay, so everybody, this is Cindy, and so we're going to take a look at Cindy's mobility, her range of motion through her shoulder joint here on the right side. So doing the lateral abduction, so bringing your arm up the side, so right there it's less than 50% mobility right now. And then if you do reaching behind your back, so this is like a posterior scapular reach. Right now it is just only 5% or less.
So you feel it on the back of the neck too. Yeah.
So this is a nice constant nerve modulation to release the fascia. And when the fascia releases, then the whole muscle restores to a normal function. We go from hypertonic muscle tension to normal function. Nice and relaxed. So I can feel that that's already released that.
Oh wow, what a difference.
Okay, I'm going to stimulate just a little more posterior. Got a good fired up nerve that time.
Yeah.
How old is this injury?
Oh. 10, 12 years.
Wow. This is the first session.
Yeah.
I can notice a big shift.
Huge difference.
Okay.
I came to touch it and it's like, wow, what a difference. I know I can move more already.
Uh-huh. Can't find another one.
Yeah, that one's
Right there, that's it.
feels like it's a bone. It's so tight. Let's do it like here. From here, you can feel it releasing.
Okay, so it's actually, this also gets the lymphatic draining too, and getting the blood flowing really optimally because it's releasing the fascia, decompressing the fascia. So it will open up the circulation to the neck. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like, oh wow. It's like, ooh, okay.
Okay. So when you're doing your after I take out the deal, so by loosening up the front here, you're going to be able to do your posterior reach behind yourself.
Okay.
Reaching your right arm behind for a scapular reach. And if we even get like 50% efficacy, that will be huge.
Mhm.
See, I felt it release there.
Mhm.
Okay.
Because now it doesn't even hurt. Like it's tender, but it's not like you have that 10-10 pain or 10-10 shooting. You have wow.
So the pain was before we started on the 10 scale?
When you touch it, it's 10.
Yeah, it was a 10 with pressure.
Yeah.
So with palpation, 10 out of 10. I'm looking forward to seeing the results.
Oh yeah. Oh, I know already. I can tell you. It's gonna be a lot more mobility in this one than the other one. Because it's like, oh, okay. Because you can even feel it like into your fingers. It's like the fingers are loosening. Everything's loosening.
So we're restoring nerve and blood flow
Yeah.
and lymphatic circulation. Okay. So let's check and see what your mobility is like. Just give me a second.
Yeah.
Okay, so needles are out, and we're going to see the mobility now after the PGAN. Whoa.
Yeah. Wow.
That's one treatment. That's amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, and so abduction, the lateral raise. Whoa. You see that?
That's, yeah, it stops there. It's like, okay, it pulls underneath, but it's like, wow, what a difference.
Kazamo, that's
What is
awesome.
my arm?
Okay. What do you say? Was that better than Jesus? I don't know.
Wow.
Okay, not to offend any of the Jesus fans out there. That was just a joke. Okay.
Amazing.
And Cindy is showing both now arms range of motion. Look at that.
It's looser on my right arm than it is on my left.
Wow. That's awesome.
I haven't been able to do that for a long time.
If you have not yet subscribed to the Guiding Needle Acupuncture YouTube channel, be sure to select the subscribe button below this video and turn on the bell so that you'll get all the notifications. Thank you for watching, and thanks for choosing Guiding Needle Acupuncture as your provider of quality traditional Chinese medicine. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the clinic for proactively strengthening wellness. May the blessings be.